Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GCP with Mahesh. This week we are discussing Dress4win case study. So this is our part 3 video. So in today's video we'll discuss the next part of the technical architecture, which is primarily on the compute part. So the first part of the compute part is Dress4win have almost like 40 web application servers, which is for microservices and for rendering static content. They have Apache Tomcat. This is for rendering your microservice written in Java, and Nginx primarily for serving the static content. And they have 4 cores and 32 GB of RAM. So what is this strike? Immediately, it's a very straightforward, and 40 is a huge number, and you want to host all your microservice. So as this migration is what sometimes you should go for most of the time. If there is something as a requirement where you want to do refactoring, you can go for that. So let's see a few options here. The first option is have a managed instance group MIG with auto scaling enabled and with load balancer, because the number is huge, 40 web servers, that's what they are saying. And they have not mentioned what is a version of Java. So if they have mentioned of Java, we may think of App Engine if it is Java 8. But if it is Java 1.2 or 1.4, you may not use App Engine standard there. You need to use flexible there. So instead, an as is migration could be a better choice. So using managed instance group is a choice in this case, because they have not mentioned anything about the Java version. And since they have mentioned 4 cores, 32 GB of RAM, you have to go with custom machine type. So Ubuntu is the operating system. Go with a custom machine type, enable MIG with auto scaling enabled and a load balancer. You should be all good with the first option. So moving on to the second requirement, under compute, Dress4win have almost like 20 Apache Hadoop or Spark servers. So that is primarily for data analysis, real-time trending calculation, and that's their compute. 8 cores, 128 GB of RAM, and almost like 20 terabytes of storage. So what this should strike as is migration again is the important thing. So the managed Apache Hadoop and Spark cluster in GCP is nothing but your data proc. Very straightforward. Move it as is with few changes in your settings, like if it is like if the web path, if the distributed web path is hdfs colon slash slash, you need to change it to gs colon slash slash. There are few changes which you need to do for it to run in your data proc cluster. That is one thing. And let's see how it looks like in the console. So 8 vcpu, 128 GB of RAM, which is nothing but custom machine type, and make sure you have 20 terabytes of storage. So that's it for today. Hope the video was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a video on a specific GCP concept. I'm happy to do that. Thanks for watching.